Found an HXM file for Descent 2. This is a resource modification file for the classic 6DOF shooter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Descent 2 resource modification files for game customization. We're tackling this HXM file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. HXM Files are resource modification files for Descent 2, a 1996 first-person space shooter by Parallax Software. They contain modified game assets, including weapon configurations, enemy attributes, physics parameters, and visual elements, enabling community-created modifications that customize gameplay graphics and content for the classic Descent 2 game. Descent 2, HXM files, use a game-specific binary format, storing modified resource definitions with hex offsets to original game data and replacement values. The format follows Parallax Software specifications for resource overrides, enabling targeted modifications without complete asset replacement, supporting modular community-developed game enhancements. The most widely recognized opener for HXM is unequivocally Interplay Descent 2 from Interplay Entertainment. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows shows only superficial attributes, so accessing real content depends on modding utilities. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your HXM file and click Open With. If Interplay Descent 2 is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If your HXM file will not open, do not worry. The stubbornness of this HXM file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, loading in Descent 2. Place HXM modification files in the Descent 2 game directory or designated mods folder. Launch the game with command line parameters or through mission selection menus that recognize the modifications. The game loads the HXM resources, overriding default values to apply the modifications during gameplay. Next, using with D2X Rebirth. Run Descent 2 through D2X Rebirth, a modern open-source port providing better compatibility with current operating systems and enhanced mod support. D2X Rebirth handles HXM files reliably, enabling community modifications to work properly on Windows, Linux, and macOS systems for continued enjoyment of classic Descent 2. Finally, creating HXM mods. Develop custom HXM modifications using community tools like HXMedit or hex editors with Descent 2 resource format documentation. The tools enable editing weapon parameters, enemy behavior, and visual elements. Test modifications thoroughly before sharing with the Descent community to ensure stability and compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.